Unlock the mystery of gift certificates. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to unravel the intriguing world of gift certificates. These little pieces of paper or digital codes are more than just items. They carry value, joy, and sometimes a bit of confusion. Let's decode what they are, how they work, and why they're so popular. A gift certificate is essentially a prepaid voucher that holds a certain monetary value. It's like a special ticket that you can exchange for goods or services at specific stores or businesses. Imagine having a magical card that lets you pick what you want from a store, up to the value written on the card. That's your gift certificate. Gift certificates come in two main forms, physical and digital. Physical gift certificates are tangible, like a card or a paper voucher, often with beautiful designs. On the other hand, digital gift certificates are sent and received electronically, via email or a special link. Both types carry a unique code or number, which is key to unlocking their value. Using a gift certificate is pretty straightforward. For a physical one, you simply present it at the time of purchase. For a digital one, you enter the unique code or number at the checkout page online. Remember, it's important to check if there's an expiration date or any specific terms and conditions attached to its use. Gift certificates are popular for several reasons. They offer flexibility to the recipient, allowing them to choose what they truly want or need. They also save time and effort for the giver, making gift-giving a breeze. Plus, they help support businesses, especially local and small ones, which is always a lovely bonus. So, there you have it, a little journey into the world of gift certificates. These tokens of choice and flexibility are not just about shopping. They're about giving the gift of choice. We hope this video sheds some light on how gift certificates work and why they're a fantastic option for both givers and receivers. Thanks for watching, and may your next gift certificate bring you joy and the perfect present.